Hello guys, so in this video I want to show you how you can make dark diss track type beats on your phone. So without wasting any time, let's go. I started with this pad. I layered it with a different sound. And layered it again. I layered it one more time. And I added that art. I rendered the whole thing, pitched down 3 semitones and 1 octave, get some background texture. I kept the original thing but pitched it down 3 semitones. I added a pluck sound. I added a grand piano for some low end. That's all for the melody. We can go to the drums. Here's the snare. I layered it with another snare. I added a rim. Some hi-hats, just go experimental with the rolls. I added the open hat. And another open hat. And I added the kick. And a simple 808 pattern. That's about everything, so I'm just gonna play from the beginning, and remember to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Peace.
Hey, yo, Birdie.